Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your request is pending error on Instagram. Now first, what you need to check is your internet connection. So just ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, you can also make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app. Updates often include bug fixes that can resolve common issues. Next, you can also try clearing your device's cache. To do this, head to your device's settings, find the Instagram app, and clear its cache. This can help resolve any temporary glitches. Next, you can also try restarting your device. So sometimes simply restarting your phone can fix a lot of issues. Next, you can also uninstall the app and then reinstall it from the App Store. This can help if there are any corrupted files causing the error. Some users have found that it may be possible to resolve the issue by changing their profile picture. So if you want to try that out, then feel free to do so. And finally, if none of the above steps work, you can reach out to Instagram support for further assistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.